Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Urban leather-faced manager chair features. This classic high-back manager's chair is fully upholstered, finished with a curved stitch and piped edging for a modern look. The generously proportioned seat and backrest are subtly contoured for a comfortable sit. And the seat pad features a waterfall front to help ease pressure on the thighs, aiding circulation. The single lever adjusts the seat height and the locking tilt mechanism on the chair. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the height of the chair. By pushing the lever in, the chair can be locked in the upright position. Pull it out again and the chair will float freely. The weight tension controller adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The chair is supplied with fixed armrests angled for a comfortable resting position and comes with a durable black 5-star base fitted with twin-wheel hooded casters. The Urban is faced in black soft-touch bonded leather with carefully matched vinyl back and sides for a fully upholstered finish. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 levels 0, 1 and 5. And fabrics to EN 1021 parts 1 and 2. The Urban chair comes with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.